Okay, good night. Well, this is a summary of the information on ISO standards applied to the software development. The guide aims to identify the contents, classification, and importance of the ISO and IEC 25000 standard within the software engineering program. Well, in this case, promoting understanding of the international quality standards and their application in software development processes. It requires the creation of concept maps and reports addressing, talking about different ISO, or ISO in this case 2510, 25010, 25012, 25020, 21, 22, 23, and 24 standards. In those standards, which define the product quality models, data quality, and software evaluation methods, the activity also encourages teamwork and communication skills among students. The second part that included in this guide is the ISO 9000 series, which deals with the quality management and assurance. The procedure includes the researching and defining the purpose, scope, also the structure of this ISO 9000 standard, also representing its structure graphically, for example, with a smart art diagram, identifying the advantage and disadvantage of each related standard that the different ISO that I mentioned, for example, 900, 9000, 9001, 9002, 9003, and 9004. Additionally, the students, or in this case, we have to investigate the types of software testing used in development companies to ensure product quality, in this case. For the framework conceptual, it's highlight that the ISO International Organization for Standardization seeks to create global consensus to meet both business and social needs. Although compliance is voluntary, ISO standards have become competitive requirements for company that is seeking recognition and trust in the market. Finally, we get the ISO 901 standard is the most recognized and widely used way in worldwide. For example, it evaluates an organization's internal processes to ensure customer satisfaction and compliance with quality requirements. In this case, the certification involves a periodic audits by accredited bodies, which helps maintaining confidence between clients and suppliers. Additionally, the ISO 9126 and others we classify and consider essential for software quality evaluation, where include educational products as they establish parameters for functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability. Well, I think that this is the part of the resume or summary that we include into this guide. In this guide also we have to identify the different methods or resolve different problems about the create a previous researching, define an objective or a floor that where we can apply the ISO 9000. Also, we can find the advantage and disadvantage for every standard that we can find in this guide. What modules will also apply the different standards to our project that we are creating in this version, where our final project, and finally get a solution. Thank you so much.